Is your refrigerator not cooling? Don't let food go to waste. Our expert technicians are ready to solve your fridge problems quickly. We repair cooling issues, water leakage, compressor faults, and much more. Our experienced technicians diagnose every issue using professional equipment. Your refrigerator is repaired on the very first visit, whenever possible. Professional service, affordable pricing. Same-day repairs you can trust. Need fast fridge repair in Jumeirah Village Circle. Contact Appliances Fix-It today. Get your refrigerator working like new. Call or visit our website to book your service.